The Timex Expedition Chronograph watch with Indiglo. What does it do? How does it do it? And is it any good? All that and more coming right up. Welcome to GruncleWorx, the channel that checks out everyday gear for the everyday guy. Today we are looking at the Timex Expedition Chronograph watch with Indiglo. The watch has 3 fully functional chronograph dials painted onto the main face, each serving a different purpose for relaying timing information to the user. The top 2 dials are functional with the side buttons, while the third dial located below them is the standard second counter for telling the time. Dial A is the minute display. This helps to keep track of minutes accrued when using the timing feature. This will count up to a maximum of 30 minutes. Dial B is the 1/20th of a second indicator and will show its value once the stop button has been pressed. The chronograph timing hand is differentiated with a neon orange tip, making it really easy to see against the black watch face. On the side of the watch, there are 2 function buttons and 1 main crown. Button A is used to start and stop the chronograph timer, while button B is used to reset all of the dials once timing has been stopped. It can also be used to create split timing if pressed prior to the chronograph being stopped. The crown is used to set the date and time, as well as illuminate the face with Timex's Indiglo technology when depressed. To start timing, simply press button A and the main timing hand will start. Just be aware that the regular second hand will not be affected by this timing feature. As you can see here, the minute dial will indicate accrued minutes in real time. In order to stop the timing, simply press button A again. The dials and timing hands will remain in place. To reset, simply press button B and all of the dials and timing hands will reset to 0. To set or adjust the timing, pull out the crown to its furthest position, position C. The crown can then be rotated in either direction to adjust the time as desired. To change the date, or to simply change the hour hand for a new time zone, pull the crown out to its first position, position B, and rotate the crown in either direction. In this mode, please note only the hour hand will move. The date will now change forwards or backwards with every full 24-hour rotation of the hour hand. One of the best features of the watch is its Indiglo lighting technology. In order to see this function, I had to switch to a camera that can handle low light. Simply depress the crown and you will activate the Indiglo lighting system. In standard mode, this is touch activated only. However, you are able to place it into night mode, which keeps it illuminated for 3 seconds when pressing any of the side buttons. The watch has a nylon canvas style strap and is somewhat stiff. It uses a standard watch strap fastening mechanism with 2 convenient loops to keep the strap nice and compact against the wrist. The body of the watch is sturdy and well built, offering a nice thickness that doesn't protrude too much or catch on clothing, but it's also not too small or too thin to feel fragile and delicate. Overall, this is a very good watch that offers excellent value for money. Its chronograph functions well, It's aesthetically pleasing and has a fantastic Indiglo nightlight feature. It's been a great addition to my everyday carry rotation. If you've enjoyed this video or found it useful, please leave us some thumbs and consider subscribing for more awesome content on everyday gear for the everyday guy.